Hey everybody, it's Casey, Broke Neck Adventures. Those who've been watching have noticed I changed the name a little bit. I'm currently riding down the path to, I call it the compound. It's a development property I've been staying at for a minute now while I was getting everything squared away. I have made some great upgrades on the trailer. It is ready for the next several thousand miles, I have no doubt. The last thing I need to do to it is get some new wheels. No biggie, 20-inch wheels or a dime a dozen. And here we go, we're rolling up on it. Here's the work truck. We called that the Viking Longhouse. That was a truck I was going to put an engine in, but we haven't been able to get an engine for it because it's one of those lovely Triton 5.4s, and they worth a tinker's damn, and you can't find one in any kind of good condition that old. There's the outhouse, and my new tent will show up today. My other one basically gave up the ghost after 6 months of on the road, daily, up and down, setting up and breaking down. It's what's left there is just a temporary shelter. It's a great place. Planning on putting up mini homes and such. It's going to be off-grid type thing. Everything we've got going on now is out of solar with propane generator backups for right now until we can get more hefty power delivery system set up. So yeah. Sorry I changed the name without telling you. Casey at Broke Neck Adventures. Hank and I just had to chase Hank down the oldest road in America in the sand because he decided he was going to chase a horse. Go figure. So anyhow, sorry I'm not real busy on YouTube right now. Trying to recover, get some bike repairs done, get everything set up, so I can make the final blast into Florida, and then it's off west to the next big stop is going to be in New Orleans, New Orleans. And we'll try to get more frequent videos. They'll be shorter. I'm still figuring this out. Somebody asked me I should do something on what I eat. Well, I'll tell you. I pretty much survive on the road on peanut butter and jelly and tuna fish sandwiches. I don't like to cook. My cook kit, it's basically to boil water. And tuna fish and peanut butter and jelly is the best bang for the buck. Trail mix, things like that. I'm always stuffing something in my face because it takes an insane amount of calories to do this. So yeah, that's the long and short of it. I don't have a fancy palate at all. It's food to me is just gas for the car. And I think I'll also do a more detailed version of the trailer and its upgrades. Just catching up with y'all, saying hi. Hank's coming back. He says hi. That's Tildy. It's one of the dogs here. It's quite a cool deal here. I've really enjoyed myself. It was a much needed break, but it's certainly time to get back on the road. I'm itching for sure. So until I see you again, hey, I started a TikTok. That's nuts. You can also catch me on the official Broke Neck Adventure Facebook page, and also my Casey Dutton Blackburn Facebook page. Hang tight. We'll keep them coming for you. I'll try to get more busy with it. I'm a bike rider, not a videographer. So, till I see you again, peace. Love you all. Take care.